Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Aditya L1 enters final orbit for solar observations, lawsuit against OpenAI and Microsoft over AI model training, ChatGPT developers working on new features, DARPA's experimental X-65 aircraft, success story of Aditya Jagtap, and Case Candy, OpenAI's GPT store, and lawsuit updates, Bajaj Auto launches, Chetak electric scooters, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. India's Aditya L1 spacecraft, the first Indian space-based observatory for solar studies, enters its final orbit after a 127-day journey. Aditya L1 aims to observe the sun for the next 5 years, orbiting around the L1 Lagrange 1 point for a constant view of the sun. Positioned at the L1 Lagrange point approximately 1.5 million km away from Earth, Aditya L1 can study solar radiation and magnetic storms without Earth's interference. 7 payloads on Aditya L1 will provide crucial information on coronal heating, coronal mass ejection, flare activities, space weather dynamics, particle propagation, and fields in the interplanetary medium. Next, we have non-fiction authors Nicholas Basbanes and Nicholas Gay sue OpenAI and Microsoft alleging copyright infringement for using their work to train artificial intelligence models. Authors claim their books were included in the data used to train OpenAI's GPT large language model without proper authorization. Several writers, including Sarah Silverman and George R.R. Martin, have filed similar lawsuits against tech companies for allegedly using their work to train AI programs. The New York Times also sued OpenAI and Microsoft for using journalist work to train AI applications. ChatGPT developers are working on a new feature allowing users to set ChatGPT as the default digital assistant and use it at the press of a button. Latest version of ChatGPT for Android includes new activity for setting ChatGPT as default assistant, with ongoing work on a ChatGPT Quick tile for launching from Quick Setting panel. The United States Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency DARPA plans to build and deploy the X-65 aircraft with a revolutionary design for testing a new air control system. X-65 aims to break the century-old design of movable external control surfaces using jet of air to shape airflow over the aircraft surface. Built by Aurora Flight Sciences, a subsidiary of Boeing, the unmanned X-65 will weigh over 3 metric tons, have a wingspan of less than 10 meters, and reach speed up to Mach 0.7. Aditya Jagtap, founder of eComSuite, revolutionizes the e-commerce industry with his flagship brand Case Candy. Despite COVID-19 challenges, Case Candy achieves over 12.34 crores in gross sales in the last fiscal year, expanding its presence across 6 Indian states. Case Candy plans to launch in the American and European markets, targeting sales of 25 crore in the next financial year. Aditya Jagtap aims to launch 4 more homegrown brands under the eComSuite umbrella, venturing into diverse categories like cosmetics, electronics, and horticulture. Next up, we have OpenAI set to launch the GPT Store marketplace, allowing users to sell and exchange custom AI agents built on OpenAI's language model. OpenAI has not provided details on compensation plan for creators based on agent usage. Lawsuits against OpenAI and Microsoft continue, with writers and organizations alleging the use of their work without proper authorization. At last, Bajaj Auto launches the Chetak Urbane and Chetak Premium 2024 electric scooters in India, competing with other electric scooters in the market. Steel body, 5-inch TFT screen, hill hold assist, reverse mode, geolocation tracking, key fob access, and tech pack option for turn-by-turn navigation in the premium model. Both models have a 3.2 kilowatt battery, a longer range of 126 km, and an 800 watt charger. Urbane has a 650 watt charger. Top speed is 73 km per hour. Premium 2024 model priced at rupees 1,35,463. Urbane model at rupees 1,15,002, competing with Ola and Ather electric scooters. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.